Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix Palworld black screen. So the first step you need to do is to check your internet connection speed. So for that you need to check on this website, that is speed test. So once you are on that website you need to check that you have a good internet connection. So you simply need to click on go and check your internet speed. So once you make sure that you have good internet speed, you simply need to come here and search for up, Palworld updates. So basically you need to find the updates on the Steam and you need to update your game. And once you done that, after that your issue get resolved. So this is the process how you can fix Palworld black screen. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.